Good evening. It's the next morning. I've got up and started working on painting the RV. Been at it for about, quite a while. A couple hours trying to take my time. I don't think I'm going to get it done today. I should get one side done today, but there's no way I'm going to get it all. I'll have to do something tomorrow. But anyway, it's turned out to be another sunny, pretty day. A little windy. That's a little discouraging. Not to be trying to paint on a windy day. Oh, Rusty Russ over there taking a nap. So what am I using to paint the RV? Well, obviously some gloves so I don't get paint on my hand. I'm using Windex, or just a cheap knockoff Windex, to clean the surface I'm going to paint. And then I come back with these hand wipes, which are like alcohol sanitizing wipes. So I use the alcohol to clean the surface and to get this off. That's just to get any grease and grime off of it. Then I tape it off. Just some old cheap masking tape from Walmart. That thing's $1 a roll. And then I'm using Rust-Oleum. We're painting it deep blue. This is good stuff because it's already got primer and hardener in it, so it's pretty good. Now, I know what y'all thinking. I'm out here in the woods painting on a windy day using cheap old Walmart spray paint and some old junky old masking tape that don't even stick. But what you don't know, you don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars for a good paint job. Well, let me back up. Let me rephrase that. If you was going to paint this whole thing, or any RV for that matter, but especially this one, it being fiberglass, you would definitely want to sand it a little bit, prep it, and make sure the surface is ready to set paint, because that's a lot of area you're painting and you're going to spend a lot of money doing it, so you want to do it right. I'm just painting these little stripes. Well, they get a little bigger up here, but I'm just doing that so I can cut a few corners. I still got to use good paint, which that Rust-Oleum in a can, people just think because it's in a can it's junk. Well, that's not the case. It's just it's paint that's convenient for the common consumer to paint their barbecue grill or lawn chairs or whatever. But what a lot of folks don't know, that's just automotive paint. It's already got the hardener in it and ready to go, pretty much, so to speak. So I'm going to show you what I've done. Just for all the skeptics out there, this is what I've already got done this morning. Tell me I don't look good. For in the woods on a windy day, using cheap old rattle can paint. I just think I still got to do that. See that little square shaped thing? Bring it all the way down to the very end, and then do that little square thing, that color. Tell me that's not going to look great. Yeah. Okay, we'll be back to show you the progress as I make it. Coming back to do a report. It's a little windy, so I don't know how the audio is going to turn out, but anyway, as you know, I'm painting the stripes on my van, on my camper van. This is what it used to look like. That's Rusty being a bum. Yep. I've had to quit because it's gotten really windy out here. I'm hoping I can finish this side this afternoon, or maybe do it tomorrow. I don't know, but it's just gotten too windy. But here's what it used to look like. Let's go over here. Let's go see the side I've been working on. Dun 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 dun. Oh, wait a minute. I can't show you yet. What do you think it looks like? You think it turned out good? Something fell behind me. Or you think it turned out bad? Good? Remember, I'm painting it in the woods on a windy day. Let's turn you around here. Doo-doop, doo-doop, doo-doop. Wait a minute, there ain't no stripes on there. Oh, there's a little bit of a stripe. Come on, just show me. Okay. Boom. Look at that. Let me go over here away from this tree. I gotta let you see it all, because I think it turned out great. Or at least this one side. Look at that. She's pretty. Oh, I know you're supposed to be humble and not be conceited, But I'm sure proud of that job right there. I don't know. A lot of them I see, I've looked online, you know, at pictures of them just to get ideals for colors. A lot of them I see, this stripe right here continues on out to the front. I don't know if I want to do that. I'm not saying I'm not going to do it right now, I just don't know if I want to. So I stopped it right here, and it looks pretty good stopped right there. That's kind of where the van part starts. And later on, if I decide I want to continue out, I can always add on to it. But I think that looks awesome. Man, if I'd been in a shop, no wind, controlled environment, this thing would have been mint. And it's, you know, again, it's not perfect. I'm out here in the woods on a windy day, so I got a little cleanup I gotta do on it. It's not exactly perfect, but I'm sure proud of it. Go back here. Oh, look at that. Man. Yeah. Anyway, and this is pretty much like I told you before. My supplies. Rubber gloves, just to keep it off your hands. I need to give me a trash can, pick all this up. I don't know where it's at. Oh, here it is. SOS pad. I found out, I don't think I told you this earlier, but I found out I need one of them to clean the surface before, because they had some road grime and gunk on it. Some Windex, because it's got ammonia in it to clean the painting surface. Then really you should come back with rubbing alcohol, but I realized when I got here I didn't have any, but I did have these the Rona hand sanitizer wipes, which are supposedly 85% alcohol, so I just been using them, coming back behind the Windex to clean any residue off. Just like I said, old cheap tape from Walmart, and the old rattle can Rust-Oleum. And that's really, I mean, I'm not going to keep going over it, but you know, really the right thing to be to do is take it to the shop and get it professionally done. But you know, I try to do things on the cheap. I can't afford to do that. So if you want to do it on the cheap, that's the best way. Just pick out a good paint, a good rattle can paint, because you can't just use any old kind. Some of it's not that good, but Rust-Oleum is a good brand. And I felt a sneeze coming. Yeah, and I didn't feel one sneeze, I felt two sneezes. Anyway, man, it turned out great. Not bragging, I'm just really pleased with it. It just changed the whole looks of it. Let's go back over here. I want to see what it was all white. Oh yeah, this totally changed the looks of it. I gotta do a lot of cleaning on this side. Somewhere I have run through a mud hole and it's got mud and all down it. So just like a pre-prep, I just drained water out of my onboard tank underneath. It's on the other side, but underneath I got a spout to drain your tank, you know, like for winter time, whatever. So I just filled me up a little hand pail and kind of hand washed all the areas I was going to clean or paint. Turned out great. And super proud of it. Again, you know, it's not perfect by no means, but I'm not going to pull up to an RV show and win an award or nothing, but you know, something quick and on the cheap, this thing turned out great. But yeah, let me pause this and got to clean up my mess. I'm going to quit for a while, maybe get back this afternoon and work on the other side. I don't know. I'm only quitting because of the wind, which kind of irritates me. It's not the wind irritating me. When I start a job, I just want to get after it and get it done. So having to quit midway through is what kind of irritates me. But maybe I can get out here this afternoon and do it, finish it, or there's nothing else to do tomorrow. It's supposed to be pretty tomorrow. It's supposed to be. Maybe I can get it knocked out tomorrow. I want to get it done before the rain starts again, because I just don't want to drive around for 2 weeks, one side painted, one side not. That would just look silly. But anywho, let me get off here. If I don't pause this video, I'm just going to keep bragging on myself. So we'll be back later, do a little update. The RV painting session is done. I got both sides done, and the birds have already used the bathroom on it. Look at that. This thing ain't been painted 2 hours. They've already messed it up. But I think I got done just in time because it's clouded up. It's not supposed to rain today, but it looks like it could. But anyway, here's my finished product. I know I done showed this to you 15 times, I think. And I told you why I didn't continue on that way. Because I'm not sure if I want to or not. I'm going to try it like this. And then like I said earlier, if I decide I want to, I can always add that stripe. But let's go with the passion side. See how bad I messed up. That's the back. There's a little scoot. There's the back. Well, I got the door open. So there's this back of this side. And there she is. What a boom, what a boom. I think it turned out great. Got a few little spots I got to touch up around that. That's the vent for the refrigerator. A few little things because the seal, I didn't realize it till I already had started painting it. The like rubber seal, whatever you call it, around that hole or the vent was loose, and I put it back in, and of course, it left the area that wasn't painted then. So always pays to pay attention before you start doing something like this. But yeah, I think it looks great. It does. It may look like a whole different RV. But it was suggested to me. Man, I hope it don't rain. I just thought I felt a raindrop. But anyway, it was suggested to me that I, like show me doing it and, actually doing the work and painting. That's just, I know some of you might want to see that, and a lot of you would not want to see it, but I don't know. I'm different whenever I'm doing a job. I don't know. I just get focused on the job itself, and then like trying to record it would just be a distraction for me. So any kind of work I do, I always tell myself, "Oh, I'm gonna record it and make a how-to video." But that's just not me. So I don't. When I started doing a job, I just want to get in there 100% and get it done. And trying to record, and chit-chat about it would just be a big distraction for me. Just like when me and my brother put the radiator in the other day, I put the wiper motors on, the fuel pump. When I did all that work, I could have showed all that. And maybe I ought to start doing it, I don't know. But I definitely didn't have time to babysit a camera while I was doing this today because I was racing the weather. It wasn't supposed to rain today, but it looks like it's going to. And it started getting windy, so I had to get this done. That way it has plenty of time to dry, because it is outside. It's not in the shop, so. Ooh, I about fell down. It's not tacky anymore, so if it does rain, it should be alright. Anywho, slowly making the old girl look like something. Let me see here. Yeah, I kind of like the way it looks. For right now, I like the way it looks with no stripes on the door itself. And I still got to, man, it looks good. I can't wait looking at it. I still got to do the window delete up there. It's not leaking right now. I resealed everything, back in Arizona in quartzite. So it's not leaking right now. I just don't like that. And it's really not hurt nothing. I don't know, I just don't like it. But anyway, the point of all that was I'm not in no big hurry to get it done. I'll get somewhere and do it one day. Might even wait till I get back to Arizona this winter. I may do it then. But eventually that window's going to be gone. One day you're going to see it and that won't be there no more. Trying to see where my deer is. Walking these weeds get covered in ticks. There's gonna be some deer out, but I'm not seeing none nowhere. Way up there. No dir, no dir. Alrighty then. I think I'm gonna end this video here. That way it don't get too long. I was looking for eagles. They're usually out here. I get distracted so easy, I know. But anyway, yeah, I think we'll end this video. Just make it hopefully a short one. Not much going on. Just got this, got here this other campsite. Oh, goodness gracious. That snuck up on me. But yeah, I guess that's another reason why I'm gonna end it short here. Maybe tomorrow. Well, it's supposed to rain tomorrow though. They say maybe tomorrow. There's a trail here. Not really a trail. It's just where people's been walking. Made a footpath, so to speak. I may go out there tomorrow if it don't rain. Me and Rusty will take you out there on a little hike. It's pretty neat. Yeah. Okay. I'm just looking around now, so I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Just wanted to show off the old RV. Man, it looks good, don't it? Let's get a little bit closer here to where you can see it. Ba-boom, ba-boom. Oh wow, look at that. Huge difference. I mean, for a 40-year-old RV, that looks pretty awesome, I think. Okay, we're gonna end this video right here. To me and Rusty, see you next time. God bless you.